Every day, thousands of tons of tomatoes enter factories like this one. But what happens next is almost unbelievable. In just a few hours, those fresh tomatoes can be washed, crushed, concentrated, blended, cooked, and transformed into smooth, shelf-ready ketchup. And today, we're going inside the ketchup kingdom to see exactly how a simple tomato becomes one of America's favorite sauces. Every day, mountains of tomatoes enter factories like this one. But how do they become the smooth ketchup sitting on your table? From freshly harvested tomatoes to a perfectly consistent sauce, the journey is far more industrial than you might imagine. So let's step inside the ketchup kingdom and follow the entire transformation. It all begins in the field, where specialized harvesters collect thousands of ripe tomatoes at incredible speed. The machines separate the fruit from leaves and stems while trying to minimize damage. Within minutes, the freshly harvested tomatoes are loaded and sent toward the processing plant. Within minutes, the freshly harvested tomatoes are loaded and sent toward the processing plant. Once they arrive, the real transformation begins. Entire truckloads can be emptied into giant receiving systems in just minutes. The tomatoes are quickly moved through controlled washing and cleaning systems. Powerful washing systems remove dirt and field debris from the surface. Then optical sorting technology examines the tomatoes at high speed, removing fruit that doesn't meet the plant's standards.
Automated inspection is supported by strict quality control checks throughout the line.
Next, the whole tomatoes are broken down into a thick tomato pulp. That pulp becomes the foundation of the ketchup. Specialized equipment separates unwanted skins and seeds, leaving a smoother tomato base. But fresh tomato pulp contains a lot of water, so the next step is concentration. Controlled evaporation removes excess water and concentrates the tomato solids. The result is a much thicker, richer tomato concentrate. Now comes the stage that turns tomato concentrate into ketchup. Ingredients are measured with precision, so every batch delivers a consistent flavor. Inside enormous mixing tanks, everything is blended into the familiar smooth ketchup base. Controlled heating helps develop the final texture, flavor, and consistency. The goal is that unmistakably smooth texture people expect from ketchup. Samples are checked to make sure the batch meets precise quality specifications. Once the ketchup passes inspection, the bottling line takes over.
High-speed filling machines dispense precise amounts into each bottle.
caps are applied and secured almost instantly. Then each bottle receives its label before moving toward final inspection. Cameras inspect every bottle for consistency and packaging defects. Anything that fails inspection is automatically removed from the line. The approved bottles are packed into cases by robotic systems. Robotic palletizers stack the cases with remarkable speed and precision. From here, the finished ketchup enters the distribution network. Soon, those bottles are on their way to stores, restaurants, and kitchens across the country. And after an enormous industrial journey, it ends up in one of the simplest places imaginable. And after an enormous industrial journey, it ends up in one of the simplest places imaginable. From thousands of tomatoes in a field to millions of bottles on the shelves, that's the incredible journey inside the ketchup kingdom.